a patient had a joint dislocation. So again, put arm sling without moving the injured arm. Put apex in injured arm. Make a simple knot. Insert the tail in underarm. Hold both tail, then support the injured arm. Then instruct the patient to remove the supporting arm, and then instruct again to put it back outside. Then adjust the tail. Then square knot. And housekeeping.